The human body is made up of billions of cells, which in a healthy body are usually growing and replaced slowly, in an organized way. Cancer is the term we use for a disease that occurs when these cells grow and replace in an abnormal and uncontrolled way. This uncontrolled growth of cells can cause a lump or a mass to form, which is called a tumor. Tumors can be benign or malignant. These tumors are made up of cancer cells. They are usually faster growing, can destroy tissue and have the ability to spread to other parts of the body. Cancer may also affect blood cells, causing blood cancers such as leukemia, lymphoma, or myeloma. These blood cancers also cause normal blood cell production to be reduced due to the uncontrolled growth of the abnormal, malignant, cells in the bone marrow. Over time, the uncontrolled growth of cancer cells usually becomes too much for the body to cope with, or will spread to a part of the body that is essential for life. What is oncology? Oncology is the branch of medicine that focuses on the diagnosis, treatment, and research of cancer. This includes medical oncology, radiation oncology, hematology, and surgical oncology.